Guys, don't go near me. Don't go too near me. Okay, chill. Chill. Yeah. Okay, nice. Ready ka sa
Si Dandy.
Southwest. Guys, north is now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on. Dami siya na. Go back. Go back. Nice. Almost. Go back. Everyone go back and chill. Go back and chill.
Guardians of front boys, guardians first.
Keep guardians on front. Okay, be careful. May bomb sila, then ito, guys, dodge the fucking glacial, okay? I don't see them having perma bomb.
But ito, pay
Guys,
attention to the skull, okay?
guardians on me and bonk the gate, please. Okay, stay southwest. They're looking now. Nice. They're looking now. Okay, ready, headbutt, ha? Okay, chill. Everyone chill. Ready. Defense on the gauge. Guys, north is now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is on me. Then go back. Nice kill. Go back. Nice defensives. Heal front, please. Then go back. Everyone, do not overstay. Shaper southeast. Stay southwest. Shaper, another shaper. Heal Johnny. Go southwest more. Nice. They have double shaper and they short. That's fine. Everyone chill.
You have the lead again, Panty. Thank you.
Okay.
Glacier. Touch the glacier.
Yeah, get away from the glacial, boys. Tell me if you guys have demons. Okay, ready defensives, ha? Ready defensives front. Okay. Among the engage, ha? Okay. Ready, boys. Ready. Chill. Defensives on engage, ha? North is now in 5, 4, 3, 2. Defensives on engage. Guys, defensives on engage. Nice.
Skitter lang yung bomb. Iwan nyo na.
Nice. What's happening on our backline? Other people dying. Southwest. Come southwest. Ditang, watch backline. Did someone die backline? How? Okay, one ditang, please stay backline. Cooldowns, boys. Ready? Cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns, boys. Come southwest. Talk to me, please. Ready, boys. Northeast, guys. Defensive front. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Damage shorties. Go back and mock. Guys, don't stay front line. Don't go too deep. Guys, shaper southeast. Shapers, come southwest. Keep bonking, please. Keep bonking. Play it slow. Trigger fast.
Go, don't leave front line. Easy.
Guys, come southwest more. Can you guys stay southwest? Guys, this is where you go. You only go near if you have defensives, okay? If you only go near. Stay where I am. Let the T-tanks bonk. Okay? Let the T-tanks bonk. Chill. Everyone, keep bonking, chill. Keep bonking, chill. They're looking now. North is now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is on me. North. Go back. That's good. That's alright. Go back. Be careful of energy shapers. We only have one engage. So you guys better go back. Do I have any bomb squads now? Just chill. Looking. Energy shapers looking. No one dying. No one should be dying to that. Okay? Guys. Heal front. Heal me. Ready? North is now. Boys, north is now. Deep. North is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is on me. Guys, this guy, please. Go back.
Glacier.
Go back.
We have one heavy mace looking at our back, please.
Okay, thank you. Heal me, guys. Can you guys heal me? And bonk the fucking gate.
Guardian gate.
Everyone chill. Go back.
Third run the
Keep
gate.
bonking, please. Keep bonking gate. Ready. Yeah, chill. Northeast, guys, geek pads. Defensive. Northeast now, boys. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything northwest. Damage northwest, then go back. Everyone go back. Damage or not. Go back now. Defensive. Go back. Nice, defensives. No one's dying, bro. Keep bonking.
Johnny.
Okay, focus on bonking. Please focus on bonking, please. Yeah. Stay southwest more. Don't get too complacent, boys. They're looking now. Yeah. Go back. Be careful. Chill. Ready? Northeast now, boys. Geek blast. Defensive on the gauge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Nice hit. Go back. Nice hit. Go back. Nice defensives. Go back. Go back.
Uy, namatay si Fulminate.
Go back. Same shit. Just keep going. We're gonna keep doing it, okay? We're gonna go, guys. Tell me when your demon armors are on cooldown, okay? Then we're gonna hit. Then everyone go back. Get away from the walls, bro.
Guards sa gate.
Yeah, guardians on the gate, guys. Everyone chill. They're looking now. Geek pads, defensives, boys. Defensives. Guys, ready. Hold. I'm gonna fake, guys. Ready? I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna fake. Hold. Where are they, bro? Yeah. Ready? Northeast now. Guys, northeast in
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Guys, 30s. Damage faster damage. Then go back. Go back. Keep bonking, boys. Keep bonking. They're looking now. They're looking now. They're looking now. Okay, be careful. Okay. I'm good. Heal me. Shaper. Keep healing me. Nice. No one's fucking dying. Okay, guys, ready? Wait for them. Do you guys have demons now? Ready? Guys, heal me, heal fan. Oh my god, guys. Bro, don't overstay. Watch out for the what do you call this? Wailing
Healers,
bomb.
go back.
Guys, can you guys stay here? 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 on me. Nah, go back. Defensive. Go back. Go back. Keep bonking.
Sira na tong gate.
Yeah, focus on gate, chill. Focus on gate and chill.
Nag-engage sila.
Yeah, just keep breaking the gate. Ano na tong gate? Malapit na. Babasag na ba to?
6 na lang to.
Okay, keep bonking. Stay southwest. Hala, guys, ang lalim nyo. Everyone stay southwest. Party 3, then party 3 will be my fake. Party 1 and 2, leave it with me, okay?
We need some healers by the gate, guys. They can heal the tank.
Keep bonking, guys. Guys,
Heal
keep
the
bonking.
tanks on...
Keep bonking. What's the GA for, bro? Okay. Party 3 on me in 3,
Broken.
2, 1. Party 3 only. Go back. Everyone ready. Party 1 and 2. Gig pads. On the gate, guys. Party 1 and 2 in 3, 2, 1. Everyone in the gate. Go back, boys. Go back. Go deep. Nice GA. Defensive front. Nice. No one's dying. No one's fucking dying. Oh my god. Please stop dying that.
Shaper.
Shaper, stay southwest. Boys, stay southwest, please. Can you guys stay southwest, please? Chill. Party 1 and 2, guys, ready? Actually, everyone, hit with me. Hit on Dandy, guys, ready? Hit on Dandy, guys. Ready? Northeast
Broken
now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every round. Crack round. Go back, boys. Go back. You guys are defensive front. Get heals. Guys, can you guys stay southwest? We're still bonking, bro. Can you guys bonk? Come southwest. Stay southwest, boys. Why are you guys there on northwest, southwest? Stay southwest. Go down the choke. The only reason you'll go...
Heal from below. Chill.
Bro,
Don't
I don't know. What are you guys doing here? Chill.
Abot kayo
Everyone
dyan.
chill. Defensive front. Heal me, boys! Okay. You're good. Shaper
Yung
coming.
banner, naiwan yung
Defensive. Asan yung banner?
May namatay dalawa. Sa
How?
shaper.
Guys! Southwest. Where am I? Guys, look at this. You guys just need 2 boots and you will hit the fucking gates. I'm breaking the walls. Stay southwest more. Man, stop dying, bro. Okay, party 3 only. In 3, 2, 1. Party 3 only. Okay, go back. Party 1. Yeah. Party 1. Defensive. Party 1, top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every round. Dami siya nakal. Almost. Go back. Chill.
Shaper.
Chill. Guys, please, don't die. Stay
Careful, they have
southeast.
two
Can you guys
shapers,
spread southeast and southwest, bro? It's fucking hard when you have... Heal front. Protect bomb. Guys, ready. Yeah. Everyone ready. Spread lang kayo. Guys, spread. Northeast on me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive on the gauge. Can you guys kill the one along me? Kill the guys na. Go back.
Shaper.
Shaper pa rin namin. Shaper healing.
Let's fine. Go back. Chill. Go back. We have too many bombs squad and we have a single engage. It's hard. Just go back. Chill. Keep bonking. Focus on the gates, please. Focus on gates, heal fan. Go southwest more. And regate. Everyone regate.
Too many
Come southwest more. Heal front.
Heal.
Northeast now. Counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Then go back. Come southwest. Come southwest.
Too many people in front.
Southwest.
Mamatay dahil.
Chipo, try mo.
Can you guys southwest? Can you guys play southwest?
Chipo, try to beat the clerical of the tanks going up.
Yeah.
Delay your engage.
Okay.
And pull this. Keep up.
Heal front. Heal east. Shallow. Just fake. I'm gonna fake. Can you guys fake? Daddy B, can you fake? Fake northeast. Daddy B. Fake now. Hold. Go back. Can you fake? I don't know. Dali ba, lalim mo, dalay mo. Guys, shallow, northeast. Northeast now, guys. Ready defensive ha. Guys, ready. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. Crap. Ang dami siya naman. Then go back. Kill cooks. Everyone go back. Nice. You're good. Go back. Just go back and chill. Go back and chill.
Hitting still hitting.
Yeah. Should I force this in? I don't know, bro. We're getting farmed outside because it's so fucking hard to go in. Everyone chill. Do we have any... Guys, come southwest more. Come southwest more. Nice, Sanchez then. Ready, northeast boys. Ready. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every round. Crap. Dami siya nakan. Then go back. Come. Kill him. If you can't kill him, then we push. Come northeast. Everyone come northeast. Everyone zone. Come in. Everyone coming. Chill. Come southwest. Go southwest. Go back.
Glacial ah.
Go back, boys. Go back southwest. Go back, please. Go back. Everyone go fucking back. Go back, boys. Go back. We killed their bomb.
May
Ready.
may bomb sa southeast na bomb ako.
Yeah, watch that. Shaper, guys. There's so many fucking shapers. There's so many bombs.
Drop me there,
Do you have
drop me
any
there.
shapers or
Bomb,
whatever? Ready, guys. Ready, guys. On the gate, boys. Wake the fuck up. Ready, on the gate. Northeast now. On the gate, boys. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every round. Crap. Damage. Defensive. Damage. Defensive. Guys, defensive. Come southwest.
Heal sa front.
Come southwest. Hill front.
Wait, keep on. Back muna. Mababalik
come
na namin to.
Everyone
Mabibalik
come
na namin to.
southwest. Everyone come southwest. Asan ba kayo?
Ito, nasa southeast mo. Southeast.
Sige.
Sige ka lang.
Come southwest, man.
Mabibalik na namin.
Come southwest. Guys, hill southeast. Chill, everyone stay spread. Keep bonking. Please keep bonking.
Kill this.
It's so fucking hard, bro. Where's our solid DPS? I don't know.
Guys, na
Spread, come southwest. Stay southwest.
Wala.
Watch front. Nice break.
Hindi kami makapasok, Kip po. I think you
I know. Defensive front. Northeast now, defensives to engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. Damage, and go back. Then defensives. Go back. Come back. Come southwest. Guys, no one's lying.
bam.
Everyone chill. Where?
Bomb northwest.
Northwest. Then come southwest. Okay, keep talking, guys. Heal me. We're gonna full push. Guys, ready, northwest ah. Wake up. Ready? Northwest now, boys. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every nakan. Dami siya nakan. Go back. Nice kill. Color dead. Slowly. Defensives. Ready defensives. Brawl the ones on top of you. Guys, push it.
Go in, guys.
Go in defensives. Brawl in. Guys, we have engaged in 6 seconds. Heal front. Come in, everyone. Come in, guys. Ready.
Shaper,
Guys, southeast shapers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Kill this. Go back. Man, come southwest. Bong this other gate. Bong the gates. Keep bonking.
Chill muna tayo siguro dito.
Ah.
Ano yung southeast?
Ubusin niya yung lahat ng gates. Use all the gates. Wipe all the gates. Guys, watch for the bomb squads. Stay southwest. Wipe all the gates. Stay southwest. Yeah, just get away from the gates. Okay, guys, look southeast. Okay, it's okay. Just keep bonking. And someone watch flank. Keep watching flank. Okay, looking. Guys, ready defensive front ha. Ready defensive front ha. Guys, defensive down. Northeast down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, dami siya nakan. Galish, come. Counter, boys. Counter.
Shaper looking.
Go back. Southwest.
Looking, Shaper.
Go southwest now. Nice. Just bonk everything. Bonk all the walls. Bonk these walls.
Yung guards, keep.
Yeah, kill the guards. Everyone, kill the guards on the outside. Kill the guards on the outside and brawl. Guys, ready. Shallow on me, boys. Cooldowns, boys. Ready, shallow on me. Geekpad sa defensive. Shallow on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Defensive engage. Nice. Go back. Everyone defensives. Everyone go back. Everyone go back. I'm good. They're trying to push. Defensive. Nice. Ditang hold them. Ditang trying to hold them. Come. Yeah. The shipper's done. Ditang hold them. Guys, ready north. Deep. North. Walk a bit. Northwest now, boys. After this.
Saglit.
Yeah. Come. Hold northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every round. Ground. Dami siya me. Wipe this, please. Wipe this, please. Then go back. Go back, focus on walking. Ready defenses, ha? Guys, heal. Front, defensive, front, defensive, front, defensive, front. Defensive front, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. No one's dying, bro. No one's dying. Is no one dying? Yeah, no one's dying.
Yeah, wag lang mag...
Anong guard rune?
Guys, can you guys...
Guard rune niya.
Spread
Shaper,
southwest.
shaper, go.
Shaper. We're gonna do shallow, okay? I don't know who can farm. Guys, focus on the guards. Kill the guards. Can you guys kill the guards? Can you guys kill the guards? Can you guys kill that guard? Kill that guard. Please kill that guard. Ready? Okay, it's fine. No one's dying.
Let me know when you want me to fake with one hand.
Okay. Can fake now? Northwest only. Fake now.
They're posturing, they're posturing.
Hold. Yeah. It's fine. Ready, defensives, okay? Ready, we're gonna headbutt, okay? North down, 5, 4, 3, 2, defenses to engage. Engage, bro, engage on top of me. Then go back. Everyone go back. Go back. They're looking. Come southwest more. Guys, Knight armors up front. Spread. We have engage in 5 seconds, guys. Ready. Northeast, boys. We go deep, May defense. Go back. Nice. I don't know kung tayo yung nakapatay o sila.
Tayo.
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 Okay, ready. Okay, chill. Everyone, wait for your defensives. Q's and W's on the guards. Ready. Cooldowns, ready?
Cover dito. Sana.
Okay, yeah, fake now. Nice fake. Ready. I'm gonna engage on the fucking shield later, okay? Ready. Hold. Ready, defenses to engage. Northeast now, boys. Ready? Northeast now. After this, after the energy shaper, guys. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, damage now. Nice. Almost. Go back. And keep bonking southeast. Keep bonking. That's fake. Just keep bonking, guys. Focus bonking. They're looking. Yeah.
Healthy pa DPS mo, kipo sa party 1.
Ha?
Healthy pa.
Looking
Healthy,
southwest.
sobrang healthy. Okay, a lot of people dying. Ready, northeast, boys. Ready. Come northwest, boys. Come northwest, ready defenses. Come, walk. Fake now. Northwest now, boys. On the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now, northwest. Damage me. Then go back. Go southwest. Kill the guys on top of you. And bong southeast cape. Defenses, front. Nice defenses. Nice. Keep walking. Focus on walking. Come southwest. I need a bit of heals. Come southwest more. Guys, can you heal me? Can you heal your ground? Okay, nice. Cooldowns, boys. Keep bonking, boys. Can you guys keep bonking? We're gonna engage on the fucking gitangs on top of us. Okay? Ready? Hold. Can you guys dismount that way? Just watch front. Everyone watch front.
Dismount.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Ready? I'm gonna fake. Right, Daddy Big, sa'yo mag-engage, This is fake. Hold. Go back. Shallow. On the D-tanks, guys. Come southwest. Shallow now. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow me, boy. Shallow me. Damage me. Where's my damage, bro? Go back. Just keep bonking. Can you guys destroy this gate, southeast? Can this gate be destroyed? So we can play southeast.
Yeah, 30% na to.
30%, okay, yeah. I'm bonking. Just chill, everyone chill. Are you guys dying at the back?
Si Xiaopeng nasa likod.
Okay, guys, please, 1D tank. Can 1D tank watch that? Okay, ready, chill lang kayo. I'm waiting for them to engage on me. We're gonna do full counter. I'm gonna fake. Hold, I'm gonna fake. Chill. Ready, boys, ready. On Daddy B, guys, northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Daddy B, boys. On the way. Go back. Yeah. Go back. Spread.
Gate muna tayo, gate.
Yeah. Focus gate. I wanna go to the southeast position. I don't want to stay here. Yeah. Bomb southeast. Go back. Defense front. Guys, southeast now, boys. Ready. Southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the gate. On the gate. Go back. Are you guys still dying at the back? At the back? Huh? Nice. Okay, just chill here. Everyone chill here. Just chill here.
Konti kami party to.
Okay.
Disengage,
Party 1 is still full. Party 1 is
Three
full.
bombs got engaged.
Okay. We play shallow. Guys, defense me. Guys, on top of us, boys. Ready. Shallow on top of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on top of us. Everything on top of us. Please kill them. Please. Nice kills. Then come southwest and bomb. Keep bonking. Oh, double OC boys, double OC. Double OC. Don't forget to double OC. Keep bonking, keep bonking. Keep bonking. Ano, dami nilang bomb. Parang gago. Dapat ganito din tayo. Defensive front, defensive front, defensive front. Guys, defensive main, defensive main, defensive main. Guys, shallow. Guys,
Heal.
on top of us, boys. Ready, ready, ready. Fake now. Can you fake? Can you fake? Can you fake? We go hit northwest, ha?
Broken
Fake now,
down,
fake now, fake now.
broken
Okay, okay. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me, northwest on me, northwest on me. Nice, 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 nice.
Nice.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Dandy's dead, Dandy's dead already. Guys, come
Nice,
southeast. Everyone come southeast, everyone come southeast. Come southeast, come in
broken
southeast,
down.
boys. Come southeast. Yeah, come southeast. Everyone come in southeast. Ignore them, come in southeast, come in southeast. Chase this guy southeast. Chase this guy southeast. Chase. Come in southeast, guys. Ditang sa tapak, ditang sa top lang. Come southeast, guys. Brawl the ones on top of you, brawl the ones on top of you. Just hold, keep going southeast, keep going southeast. Kill this, then bonk. Start bonking. Hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here. Yeah, focus on guards, kill guards, everyone kill guards, everyone kill guards. Focus now. Everyone fucking focus. On the guards now in 3, 2, 1. On the guards on me, on the guards on me, on the guards on me, on the guards on me. Kill the guards, kill the guards, kill the guards. Focus on the guards, focus on the guards. Focus on the guards, then bonk. Start bonking, boys. Start bonking. Start bonking, start bonking, start bonking. Defense is front. Okay, start bonking. I'm gonna go front. You guys bonk all the walls here, okay? Okay, yeah. Nice. Keep bonking, focus bonking. Guys, on top of me, guys. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. So everything on me. Go back. Nice kill. Okay, go back. Focus on bonking. Everyone focus on bonking. You don't need to do anything else. Just bonk with me. Kobugi, be careful. Be careful. Hill front. Bonk. Focus on bonking, boys. Focus on bonking.
Open lang namin yung southwest mo.
Yeah. Southwest and southeast wall. Focus on bonking that. After that gate is broken, we're gonna...
Nililikuran ka.
Nino, okay, then watch them. Just watch them. Ditang.
West,
One
west,
ditang on
west,
the flank, guys.
West,
Engage on the flank, boys. Try.
west,
Go back.
west.
Yeah, just look at them, bro. Defensive there. Nice, they're dead.
Nice bomb.
See, guys. Chill. Everyone chill. Just one ditang watching them. Everyone stay with me. Bonk this. Focus on bonking. Focus bonking. Dismount the battle mount on top of you. Focus on bonking. Focus on bonking, boys. Focus on bonking. And chill. Bro, it's not that hard. Everyone chill. Hold. Hill front. Hill southwest, boys. Hill southwest, guys. Support the southwest.
West side bomb.
Yeah. Boys, just keep bonking. Please bonk.
Bakit walang guard dun dito?
Guys, keep bonking.
Go inside.
Okay, everyone, nice. Ready now? Nice. We have space now. Chill, bonk the gates now. Ready defensives front. Guys, on top of me, guys. Shallow. Hold. This is fake. Yeah, this is a fake. I'm gonna fake. Hold. Ang daming ano. I'm gonna fake, guys. It's fine. Am I lagging, bro? Did I DC or what? Okay, no. Just chill. Go back. Can you guys bonk the southeast? Bonk the southeast area. Bonk this southeast. Bonk this. Everyone bonk this. Please, bonk this. Bonk this and kill the guards. Go northeast, guys. Bonk that and kill the guards. Nagbabag yung audio ng game. Ready defenses. Yeah, stay front. Chill. Everyone chill. Just bonk. Just keep bonking. Shallow, guys. Shallow. Shallow on cooks. Hold. Shallow on cooks now. Ready. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every round. Come. Dami siya nakal. Nice. Go back. Then watch the flank. Then stay here. Everyone stay here. Focus on bonking. Once the wall southeast is broken. Guys, itong southeast na wall. I need this. I need this wall, bro. I need this wall broken, bro. Can you guys break that wall? Can you guys break that fucking wall?
Yo, OC.
Double OC, boys. Double OC. Get your next food up. Double OC, boys. Double OC.
Meron
Guys, yeah, defensive east. It's fine. Bro, just break this wall. It's fine. Their main Zerg is doing nothing. Chill. Everyone fucking chill. Just D-tanks on where Zancho is. He's not gonna do anything. Is he killing anyone? No. The ones that killing you are the energy shapers. So you just need to bonk. Focus on the bonking. Once everything is bonk, it's gonna be easy, bro. Keep bonking. Everyone keep bonking. Okay, hold. Defensive front. Hold. Nah, I fucked up. Everyone chill. Yeah, chill. Everyone chill. Guys, defensive front. Ready? Shallow. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the gate. Gate. Then go back. Go back. Then come southwest. Everyone come southwest. Come southwest, boys. Come southwest. Ang tagal naman mabasag ng gate na to, guys. Okay, nice. Everyone kill guards. Focus on killing guards. All my DPS focus on killing guards. No one's fucking dying, bro. Guys, hold. Defense is front, defense is front, defense is front. Defense is front, guys. Shallow, guys, on top of us, boys. Guys, heal me. Heal me, boys. Heal me. On top of me, guys. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the ditang. Everything on the ditang. Then go southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Can we regroup, please? Please regroup fast. Okay.
Paper.
Okay. Now we start bonking. now. Yeah, chill. Everyone chill. Guard runs front. Start bonking gates.
I'll bonk
Start bonking
the
gates.
gate.
Start
I
bonking
just need
gates.
a guard room.
Guys, be careful of bomb squad. Looking sa akin. Defensive. Guys, northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive na gauge. Almost. Then go back. Nice heals. Go back. Focus on breaking the gate. Ang sakit ng putang ina ng yan. Heal front, please. Heal front. Sanchez looking. Yeah. Just chill. Everyone chill. Defense is front. Defense, heal front, please. Northeast now in 5, 4, hold, 3, 2, 1. Everything northeast. Everything on the gate. Then go back. Focus on gate now. Chill. Everyone chill. Farm down. Everyone chill. Defense. Nice defense. Then come southwest. Stay southwest. Focus. Guys, can you guys brawl that fucking ditang on top of it? They're looking now. Spread more. Guys, nakikita nyo ba ito si Hellfire? Okay, their defense is front. Guys, defense is front. Oh my god. Guys, hold, chill. Focus. Guys, ready. Over the wala. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito. Northeast. Go back. Everyone go back. Chill. Focus on gate. Defensive front. Nice. Heal us, boys. Come southwest. Heal us.
Duty.
Nice. Guys, can you guys
Full in front. Too many
get me full
people in
health?
front.
Yeah, focus. Come southwest. D-tanks. Focus on breaking the wall. Please. Focus on breaking the walls. Chill. Everyone focus on breaking the walls. Do I have any defense?
Si Shopping nasa isa.
Okay, guys, heal me. I'm gonna die if you don't heal me. Guys, northeast, southeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Guys, everything on me. Nice. Go back. Come southwest.
Si Shopping nasa south natin
Yeah, watch him. One ditang watch him. Everyone chill. Come southwest. Heal me, please. Is anyone actually dying? No one, right? No one's fucking dying, right? Just watch flank.
Di ko mabasag yung gate. Di ko mabasag.
Yeah. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying to bomb it.
Kailangan natin ng help. Wala nag-guard dun sa ano.
Guys, can you guys guard run front, and bonk the fang gate. Ready, please. Guys, on top of me, guys. If they hit me, you guys need to hit regardless if I go transform okay? Focus on the gate. Focus on the fucking gate. Looking sila. Guys, on top of me, guys. Northwest, boys. Be ready, everyone. Be ready. Hold. Southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate, boys. Everything on me. Damage. Then go back. Focus on gates. Can you guys focus on the gates? 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. This one.
Wait lang. 20%.
Yeah, almost. Everyone chill.
Shopping behind.
Shopping,
Nag-inv.
Okay, be careful.
Sa northeast. Northwest.
Be careful.
Hindi namatay yung mga
Sino namatay? Sa atin namatay? Kill?
Yeah, dalawa.
Okay, chill. Everyone chill. Can you guys break this gate? Okay, ready. Guys, ready?
Okay.
Guys, hold. Yeah. Hold, defensive front. Guys, on top of us, boys. Counter the gate, northeast. Walk a bit. Northeast now in 5. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Guys, damage shield. Go back. Come southeast. Dami na lang bomb squad, pre. Isa lang engage natin. Come southwest. Please reggae fast.
Bong. Itong
Defensive. Guys, defensive. Come south. Chill. Guard runs front, please. Guard runs front. What's our DA anyway? Hold. Everyone hold. Chill. Guys, come southwest. Can you... Oh my god, what was that, bro? Come southwest. Hold.
Kaya mga healers natin nasa guards
Guys, can you guys kill the guards? Focus on the guards. Guys, drop everything on the guards. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these guards. Just drop everything on the guards. Focus on the guards, boys. Focus on the guards. Guys. Heal front. Please watch front. So fucking hard to siege this with just one engage. Come south west, come south west.
Wala kasing guard dun eh.
Yeah, where's the
Shaper,
guard?
shaper, shape.
Yeah, shaper, heal south
Heal,
west.
heal.
Ay, nako.
Yung healer kasi sa likod lang. Pwede naman kayo mag-kill dito sa taas, oh. Pwede
Guys,
dito.
can you guys heal? Can you guys kill these guards? Can you guys come southwest nga? Come southwest. Ready. Come southwest,
Hindi
everyone come southwest.
Makayos kasi hindi nyo kinikil yung guards.
Everyone come southwest. Kill the guards, please. Yung guards na yan galing sa ano. Guys, ready? Hold on. Guys, can you guys see? You guys see these guards? No one's fucking hitting him. Hello? Chill. Guys, ditang sa front. All my DPS, look at the guards. Guys, ready? Okay, that's it. Northeast now, boys. Hold. Just kill the guards. Focus on the guards. Why are we not killing one guard, bro? It's level 8. Guys, heal. Defensive. Oh my god, come southwest more. Can you guys kill that guard? One ditang front, please. Where are all my ditangs? I don't know, man.
Dalawang beses nag-engage dun, shaper. Hindi pa rin kayo natuto.
I don't know, man. Okay, chill. Ready? They're looking. Northeast now, boys. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Then go back. Go back. Focus this. Focus on breaking the walls. Focus on breaking the walls. Guard runs on us, please. Defensive. Shaper on us. It's fine. Don't GA the shapers. Please watch flank. Okay? They're looking now. We're gonna engage where they engage. Okay? We're just gonna full counter everything. Okay? Everyone chill.
Yung mga arcanes nga, magpalit kayo ng mimic. Mimic niyo yung mga
Defensive. No, defensive. Yes, defensive. Guys, on Zancher, ready. Hold. Go back. Ready. Guys, or top of us, northeast. Guys, ready. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything na kan. Damage. Nice. Then go back. Focus now. Focus on breaking the gate. Focus on the gate. Ha?
Nagagang ng mga
Saan? Saan kayo nagagang?
Wetland.
Go back. Defensive front. Wala naman silang damage, pre. Do we need to help you guys?
Shaper.
Come southwest.
Tatlo na yung nataanan ko ka-guild natin, boy, namatay sa ganker.
Holy shit. Do you guys need help?
Shaper.
Guys, come southwest. Can you guys stop staying here? Stop staying here. Ready, guys, directly north, over the wall. Ha? Ready, directly north, over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Go back.
Wala kayong nambutan.
Shopping sa south, ha?
It's fine. Defensive front. Guys, can you go back? Are we not able to regear? Go back, heal, bro. Come southeast. Everyone come southeast. We can't regear or what?
Pengen, tumitingin sila dyan sa may...
We're level 27, bro.
May naka-cut off na ganker sa
Guys, ready northwest, boys. Ready northwest. Come. Follow me. Chase them. Kanina pa tayo pinapatay na mga to eh. Come southwest. Chase. Kaya pala eh.
Shaper!
Come southwest. Oh man. Go back. Wala tayong flank tank. We're level 27. Wala tayong flank tank.
Kukso. Patay na dito.
Yeah. Hold. Zancher's looking. Ready.
Umalabas
Boys.
sila.
Yeah. Northeast now in 5. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Every naman. Crowd. Damage na boys. Go back. Spread southeast. Ang safe sa southeast. Sa southeast kayo mag-spread. Hindi sa northwest. Southeast. Guys, it's safe southeast. Nice.
Medyo matagal yung engage nyo, guys.
Ang bagal. Sa southeast kayo mga... Ang hirap. Ang daming engage. We're level fucking 30 and we're not pulling around.
Listen, just break the wall west side.
Yeah, I'm trying, bro.
Image.
Okay.
Tatlo na lang DPS dito sa
Heal.
party.
Shaper, heal.
Yeah. Heal, guys. Heal front. Keep on. We're level 27, bro. Chill.
Tsa, na-repair na siya.
Try to regear. Guys, defensive front. Northeast now, boys. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Then go back. Focus. Defensive front. I'm good. Just bonk. I need you guys to keep bonking. And I need guard runes on front. If you are regearing, go to the terry or something. Hill front, guys. Are we still getting fucked? Ano ba? Sabihan nyo ako, what's happening? Meron bang Zerg sa southeast?
Help me out.
Hill west.
Help me out.
Where? You guys say help me, but where?
I'm so dead.
How?
I air compressed on the other side. Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
I'm out. GG, good healers.
Heal nyo nasa harap ko.
Good healers.
Guys, shallow. On top of us, guys, shallow on top of me. Hold. Shallow on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything on. Damage siya nakal. Nice. Prime them. Then go back. I need to break the fucking walls.
Zancher looking.
Yeah.
Engaging in the front.
Just heal me. Just heal me. It's fine. Their damage isn't much. You know what's healing us? The energy shapers northwest. Every single time, bro.
Nandun pa rin kayo sa energy saver.
Guys, spread southeast. Fucking spread southeast. Why are you guys northwest? How many times have you died?
Southeast kayo, pre.
Holy shit, bro. You're all dying on the same fucking place. Yes,
Southeast na lang kayo.
Shallow on me, boys. Ready. Shallow on me. On the D-tanks on top of us, guys. Ready. Hold. Yeah, wait for them.
Pwede mo target dito yan. Sa northeast mo. Tipo.
Oh, sige. Right.
Oh shit, you died again.
Again, guys. Holy shit. Kakasabi lang natin. Defensive front. Nice defensive. Guys, ready. Shallow on top of us. Guys on top of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of us. Just on top of me. Kila guys on top of me. Bro, kakasabi ko lang. Walang northwest. Everyone's fucking dying here. Just stay southeast. So fucking
Siya,
hard, bro.
nag-repair lang eh.
Kaya nga, hirap eh. Walang damage yung check nila.
Nalapit na ata to. Yung H. Gusto mo i-dip na natin.
Sige. Yeah. Everyone. Let's
Our drones, guys.
Guys, on top of me, boys.
I hit.
Ready, chill. Wait for the energy shapers to hit. Once energy shapers hit, we're gonna push northeast, okay? Okay, energy shapers now. Okay, come northeast, guys. Ready, guys, northeast now. Hold. Yeah. Walk a bit. Just walk a bit. Northeast now, boys. Ready. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Damage. Then go back. Can you guys go back? Come southwest again. We'll do the same shit. Come southwest. Go southwest, boys. Guys, go southwest. What are you guys doing? Stay front. Don't stay front. We're gonna do the same thing. Wait for the shapers to hit. Tell me if the shapers hit. If the shapers hit, we hit 2. Okay, we're gonna push and then open the gate southeast and then we're holding the southeast side. Okay?
You can
Shaper now. Evan, ready. Come. Follow me. Yeah. Follow me. Top of us, guys. On the D-tanks on top of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the D-tanks on top of us. Just drop everything on top of us, boys. You know what? We're getting fucked for no reason. Come southeast. Come southeast. Man, this was a massive failure. Anyway, it's fine. Come southeast. Just hold. Everyone come southwest.
Zancher looking.
Follow me southwest, boys. Where's the crown? Follow me southwest, boys. Just follow me southwest, bro. Come southwest. Kite southwest. Please. Holy shit. Come southwest. What's taking you guys so long? They're looking east. They're looking west, bro. Guys, keep going southwest. Keep going southwest. Guys, on top of me, boys. On top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Everything nakan. Nice. Come southeast now. Everyone come southeast. Okay, guys, can you guys stop them? Can you guys hold them? Can you guys try to hold them? Come north. Follow me. I don't know where my Zergs is. Guys, just follow me. Defensive front. Come northwest, boys. Hold.
Guys, bombers on the west.
Guys, follow me. Follow the fine crown, boys. What's happening to you guys? Can you guys follow the crowd? Ready, northwest, guys. Ready. Northwest now, boys. Ready, everything on the fucking gate. Hold the gate. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the gate. Gate, boys. Damage on the gate. Then go back. Come southeast. Just hold them. Come southeast. D-tanks hold them. Come southeast. Everyone come southeast. Ang pangit na screen. Come southeast. Follow me. Can you guys follow me or what? You guys can? Come southeast. Keep walking southeast. It's fine. Come southeast. Just walk with me southeast. Guys, ready. On top of me. Boys, hold. Come southeast more. Can you guys roll on? Come southeast. Everyone come southeast. Follow me. Get out there. Pull them in open hold. Focus. Come southwest. Yeah, chill. Everyone chill. See this? We chill. Ready? Northwest now. Hold. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on. Damage on. Then go back. Nice. Go back. Spread southwest.
On your south.
Spread south. Watch it. Then just one D-tank, watch it.
I got hit. They're on your south.
Come southwest. Guys, cleanses front. Chill. They coming out? Hold here. Roll the ones on top of you.
Bam, wailing mo.
Yeah, wailing mo. It's fine. Guys,
Build up, build up,
spread
build up.
southeast of me, spread southeast of me.
Build up, build up.
Spread southeast of me, spread southeast of me, spread southeast of me. Then look northwest, guys. Hold, it's fine, it's fine. They're looking now, defensive. Guys, hold them now, walk in. Everyone, hold them now, walk in. Hold in. Guys, ready, northwest, boys. Go deep, hold them now. Keep going east, keep going. On the shield, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything na shield, everything shield. Kill, guys, then go back. Wala tayong cleanse. Go back. Just play southeast, please. It's fine. Just come southeast, man. Hold. Everyone chill. Guys, spread southeast. Guys, yung southeast hindi sa
Looking,
southwest.
looking.
Southeast. Yeah, I know. Spread southeast. Spread southeast. Watch the bomb south. It's okay. Spread lang kayo. Spread and ball the ones on top of you guys. They're clap. They're not killing you. Come. Hold. Everyone come northwest. Come. Walk with me. Come northwest. Yeah, chill. Shallow on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on crown. Go back. Come southeast. We're just gonna finish the timer then. Go back. We lost this. My bad.
Wala tayong
Go back.
disengage
Kill fan.
Pwede ka na umalis ko po.
It's fine.
Hindi natin to kaya. Wala less casualty.
That's fine. May 5 minutes. We can play with it. Come southwest. Everyone come southwest. Yung spread, sabi ko spread southeast. Lahat kayo nagpupunta southwest. It's fine. Come